Okay, so some words are said and pronounced differently depending on where you are. So, O, 0. In the US, 0. Very nice, straightforward. In the UK, we can say 0 as well, 0, or O. 0789, O, which is quite nice. O. I think 0 is a bit more accurate, but O works as well. Or Nought. 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 Alright, Nought. Again, 0. But this is the UK. The UK does have different ways of saying things, I must admit. Yeah, okay, Nought. O. 0. Very good. But it gets interesting when the numbers are doubled or tripled. So for example, 33 works nice. Double 3, double. Double 3. 33, yeah, it works. I prefer to say 33, because that's what we got here, 33. Double is not a number, so I don't like saying that, double 3. No, 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 no. What's a double? No, no, just 33, that's it. And 33, yes, but if you're dealing with a long sequence of numbers, like a telephone number, then you're not going to say 33, 45, whatever else. And then triple numbers, 777. Very nice, I like that. Straight to the point, just like 33, to the point. 777, again, you can say triple, but triple is not a number, so I don't like saying that. It sounds misleading, 777. It's like, no, 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 just keep it simple, 777. Or 777. That's even worse, double 7, so double 7 7. Okay? Or treble 7. Just like triple. Not too fond of that. Triple and treble. Same thing, times 3. But it's like, no, 777. 777. Very nice. 3 3. Keep it simple. What is it? 777 333. But this is just telling you and showing you ways of pronouncing words that are together in unison. So down to your choice. Treble 7, triple 7, double 77, 777. Your choice. 3 3, double 3, 3, 33. Your choice. How cool is that? But I prefer to say 3 3, 777. And with 0, well, 0 then, 0 or O. 0 or O. 07890, 07446690. Very good. 0, yeah, there you go. 074466, not double 6, 66. Keep it as that. Keep it nice and simple. 3 3, 777. Very nice. How cool is that? Let's keep going.